If you're wondering how to delete tags in Housecall Pro, you're in the right place. Whether you're cleaning up your account, organizing your contacts, or just simplifying your workflow, deleting tags is a straightforward process, but there are a few things you should know to get it done quickly and efficiently. First, let's talk about what tags are in Housecall Pro. Tags are labels you can assign to your clients, jobs, or even your employees to help organize and track them more easily. Think of them as categories or keywords, allowing you to filter and group information based on your needs. To delete a tag in Housecall Pro, you'll first need to navigate to the Settings menu. Once you're in Settings, find the Tags section. In this section, you'll see a list of all the tags you've created or been using. Here's the important part. If you want to delete a tag, simply find the tag you want to remove and click on the trash can icon next to it. Now, it's crucial to note that deleting a tag doesn't remove the associated data, like clients or jobs that were tagged with it. The data will still be intact, but the tag itself will be completely removed from the system. This means no more cluttering up your interface with tags that you no longer use. But here's the catch. If the tag is assigned to a job or client, it will disappear from that job or client's profile too. So, before deleting, it's a good idea to make sure no important information is relying on that tag. If you're using tags to manage things like job statuses or team assignments, remember that you can always reassign these roles using other tags or fields in Housecall Pro. It's just a matter of staying organized. Now, a little pro tip for Housecall Pro users. You can also use tags to automate workflows. For example, when you tag a job or client with a specific label, you can trigger automated follow-ups or reminders. If you've been using tags to streamline your processes, deleting them might mean adjusting some of those automations, so just keep that in mind. If you're new to Housecall Pro, the good news is you can get started with the software for free. In fact, you can use Housecall Pro at no cost with our exclusive bonus, just by signing up through the first link in the description below. Plus, you'll get an extended free trial to dive deep into all the features and make the most of your Housecall Pro experience. And don't forget, this software can handle so much more than just tags. Whether you need to manage scheduling, send invoices, or track payments, Housecall Pro offers a full suite of tools to streamline your business operations. So before we wrap up, remember that deleting tags in Housecall Pro is as simple as clicking that trash icon, but always make sure to double check the impact on your data and workflows. If you're using tags to manage things like job statuses or team assignments, make sure you have an alternative setup to stay organized. To get started with Housecall Pro today, don't forget to grab your exclusive extended free trial through the link below and take full advantage of all the powerful tools at your fingertips.